So as I already mentioned, these mixer trucks are extremely capable off-road. They've got lockers, locking transfer case, all sorts of good stuff. So since we're not gonna sell it as a mixer truck, I've already made that decision, we're gonna do something cooler with it, which we're still trying to decide. We're gonna take it up to a local off-roading area to show you what it can do. This is not a crazy off-road spot. It's not a ton of obstacles. There's a lot of mud and water up there right now. So I've never intentionally pushed a mixer truck to the point of trying to see how capable it is. Usually we're just like trying to get to the job site or figure that out. So I really think this is an incredibly capable off-road platform that we can do something really cool with. Obviously it's going to get different wheels and tires. It's going to get the mixer bed pulled off, but I'm excited about this. Let's just go see how hard we can push this cement truck. Keep going. Is it going to get stuck easy? Oh, we'll find out.
Uh-oh. There's something. What are you doing?
Bobsledding, I guess. That hill is solid ice, and as soon as I stabbed the brakes at the top, the engine cut out. So does that mean I just need a faster run at it? I thought it was going off the edge.
Why did you just tag axle down?
Because I like my tag axle down.
What? You were plowing sideways.
It's supposed to, oh, it didn't go up because I didn't put it in reverse, huh?
Yeah, lift it. Get that in the air. You're gonna try it again?
Well, yeah, because now I got more traction. I just gotta get a better run at it.
That's not how that works.
Let's try this again. That last attempt didn't go so hot, but I had my rear tag axle down, which was distributing some of my traction weight that I need on my drive tires. But this hill is just a solid sheet of ice. I'm literally just sliding right now. So the only thing to do is try again. This time I got it in low. I got the T-case locked up. I have the tag axle up, so I got more weight on my drives. Unfortunately, this truck, for some reason, does not have the rear diff locker switch. It has the switch, or the hole for it, but no switch in it. So
look this side.
These trucks...
Keep it this way if you can.
So these trucks usually have differential lockers, axle lockers. This one doesn't have it in it, so we gotta figure that out. So those are gonna be very necessary for whatever we decide to do with this thing. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try it again. is angry. I was like, all right, I'm out. I was about to bail because I thought I was going sideways off that. Whew. It's like it kept on going. The throttle on this thing is an air throttle, so it stays down even when you're off. It just takes like a second to like disengage. So I let off and it was still trying to climb, so I was committed. Whew. That is a solid sheet of ice, and this thing has just bald tires. Bald tires. We made it a little further though. I'm gonna try to get around. I gotta shut it off real quick. See if I can make the transmission happy again. Been a minute since I felt that alive.
Dude, you did a really good job keeping her straight there.
It kept on trying to climb, and I thought it was gonna climb sideways.
You were...
Like you just had got to the bad part. There was still another 30 feet of horrible.
If I made that
And
turn,
then a turn.
I would have been in trouble, because then I can't make the turn backward sliding. Then I just go.
And there's a truck parked up there on the other side of that corner.
Well, try to be. Oh, we can get there from Redbeard's neighborhood. Yeah, let's go that way. Okay guys, as you can see by the drone shot, things are about to get a little crazy. So before we do that, we gotta do some preventative maintenance to make sure all systems are a go. Okay. So you're probably thinking we're gonna do maintenance on the truck. Well, you're wrong. We're gonna do maintenance. What we do takes a toll on us, which is why it's important that we get our vitamins, minerals, whole foods, superfoods, probiotics, prebiotics, basically, you know what, just all of our daily nutrition, which is what we're about to do. All right, Dave. Ready? All right, while that's mixing, I'm gonna tell you guys why I drink this stuff, because I'll be honest, Athletic Greens has absolutely helped me. It's helped me with better energy, better focus, better gut health, just better overall sense of well-being. So every single morning, bam, I do not miss it. And on the days that I do miss it, I don't feel as good. I'm not a doctor, I'm just telling you my personal experience. All right, I think that's probably about ready. All right, discharge. Whoa, oh, you caught them all. Yeah! And just like that, my daily nutritional needs are met. It's just that easy. Now listen, all you gotta do is click the link in my description below, place an order, and Athletic Greens is gonna hook you up with 5 of these free travel packs, plus a 1-year supply of vitamin D, absolutely free. Listen, I've had a ton of people that have seen this product on the channel, they ordered it, tried it, and have sent me emails, messages, all sorts of things saying, hey, it works, I feel better, like this was actually good for me. One guy even told me that it helped him get sober, so it's gotta be good stuff. Now listen, all you gotta do is place an order now.
Hey look, a little extra. It's so good. So good when it hits your lips.
So thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you Athletic Greens for continuing to help us make awesome videos. And the link, see if it helps. seen a mixer truck hit the rhythm section,
Oh, jeez,
you are gonna get bucked right off.
not doing that.
I think I might have broken in half. No, we're still good. Yeah, these lockers bad.
Real bad.
It has them, they're just not hooked up.
They spun out before they even got to look at the obstacle.
Man, that's violent.
Oh, yeah. Hold on, Dave. Is this it?
No, I still got tag axles.
You want me to wiggle jiggle?
Hold on, let me see what my tags do.
You want me to jump on?
Stuck on my belly.
Do we just leave it here?
I got a brodozer rope.
Let's yank her a little.
Or have you registered this yet? Could they trace it back to you?
No, I don't think so. Hold on, I gotta fill out my logbook.
What are you doing?
Filling out my log and inspection report. Or call it a day. So I'm stuck then, right? What a late spot to get stuck. Yeah. Got the belly right there, huh?
You just call the city real fast. I think you know.
A little tug backwards might.
You were moving. You weren't even touching this bank before.
Backwards, right?
It is pivoting you a little.
A couple more of those.
Yeah!
Hey!
You felt it in your soul.
Ram! Ram!
Okay, a couple things here. Let me just jump down. Number one, the brodozer rope, which is our custom Yankum rope, just kicked ass. That thing pulled out. That was awesome. multiple really hard full speed tugs, and we're out. And I'm gonna call it a day right there, because if I keep pushing it, I will either roll it or get it really, really stuck. So the plan is, like I said, we're not gonna sell it as a cement truck. We are going to turn it into something awesome. And I think it proved today that it has what it takes to become something awesome. So next step is gonna be taken to the shop and take off all the mixer components. So we just have a nice bare chassis, figure out some wheels and tires, figure out the lockers, and then take it out again and see what it's capable of. I still don't know whether I want all the tag axles or not. They kind of help. They also kind of hurt. But guys, the whole goal of this project is to show you that we can make money on an auction purchase, and we don't have to sell it the way that we bought it. Again, we could probably sell it tomorrow for 15 grand real quick, make 3-4 grand, but I think if we do something cool to it, we could probably get 30, 40. Picture this thing at like a mud event with a bunch of seats back there, or I don't know. I got to think about it, but drop your comment below what you guys think this thing should become. What should we do with it? Turn it into a toy? Turn it into another type of recovery vehicle with a crane or something? I'm open to suggestions. Also, if you want a recovery rope like the Brodozer one that we just used to get this thing unstuck, click the link in my description below. It's going to take you to the Yankum website, and we're going to give you 20% off. What do you say? Nah, we will. We'll give them 20% off. Don't shake your head like that. Next 100 customers. How about that? Jeez. Next 100. Hans is not happy about that. Probably should have cleared that with Yankum, but they're cool. They like giving discounts, hooking people up. Anyways, off we go. We're on ice again, and it's wanting to slide backwards. So anyways, we're gonna try to get Dave's truck in front and pull up the hill, because got no traction. What just happened?
Pretty apple. Inches?
Oh yeah, you almost tail whipped it. That was a sick whip.